What's going on, everybody? It's your boy RNG Crypto here with you for another video, guys. We're going to be talking about a couple of things today. We're going to talk about Astroswap, which is coming up really soon, an IDO on AdaPad exclusively. We're going to talk about Bitorbit, which is a new project coming out on Velas blockchain via VelasPad. Apparently, it's going to be the first IDO on VelasPad, guys. We're going to give you an update on Rogue Sharks. We're going to give you an update on Metabaes, guys. We're going to be talking about all these things. Before I get started, though, let me make sure that I'm giving you my disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor, guys. Anything I say or do is not financial advice. Please make sure that you are doing your own due diligence and research before you're investing any money into any of these projects, guys. And with that said, let's move right along. Okay, guys, we are here on Astroswap's website, guys. This is the decentralized exchange that's coming out on Cardano. They are launching on AdaPad with partnership with Bluezilla, guys. I talked about this in a previous video. I do want to quickly touch on this because it is coming up on October 7th, guys. Quick rundown, guys. Initial market cap $120,000. Total supply 10 billion. Initial circulating supply 120 million, and public price at $0.001. Guys, initial market cap $120,000. This is why Bluezilla and all of their IDOs go 300, 200, 100x and stay up there because of that initial low market cap. This is us getting in really early at a minor price and making big gains, guys. Yes, there is vesting, but that is also the reason why there's no pump and dumps with Bluezilla projects. And also the staking rewards are always phenomenal. We are getting a lot of APY, especially early on. So as soon as staking opens up for Astroswap, I'm going to be hopping in that. But then, guys, in order to get into this, you do need to stake AdaPad. You have to stake a minimum of 2,000 AdaPad tokens to get into the lottery tier, where you have a chance of getting into this IDO, and you can stake a minimum of 25,000 to get a guaranteed allocation, guys. That is it for Astroswap, guys. This is going to be a big one. This could be a leading decentralized exchange on Cardano. It is a first mover, or one of the few first movers, so do not miss out on this one, guys. And that is it for this. Let's move on to the next topic. Okay, guys, I'm here on bitorbit.com, guys. This is the social media platform, a decentralized social media platform that's going to be launching on Velas via the Velas Launchpad or VelasPad, and essentially it allows you to monetize your content on a trusted, private, and blockchain-based platform. Who is it built for? Building a loyal base of fanatic followers is difficult, but monetizing your content shouldn't be. We built Bitorbit for those influencers who want to generate more revenue from their content. We built Bitorbit for those influencers who want to value their privacy, and for those who want to eliminate the middlemen and gatekeepers. Most importantly, we built Bitorbit for those influencers who want it all without having to sacrifice one aspect for another. How do you start? It's simple. Just add a link to your preferred social media. When your community follows the link, they will be prompted to pay for your exclusive content, and it is that simple, guys. The other thing that I saw here as I scroll through these, guys, look, create paid content with ease. So apparently it's easy to use, right? Nice UI. Share your link everywhere. So again, sharing your links on social media handles, on Twitter handles, whatever the case. Embedded chat, there's chat included in this, and this is the cool part, guys. It has an embedded crypto wallet, so you're going to be able to actually make exchanges with a secure, non-custodial way. This is pretty cool, guys. And finally, it is also available both on Android and iOS. This is again going to be launching on VelasPad. In order to partake in this project, you do need to be staking VelasPad. VelasPad only has guaranteed tiers, but you do need to stake 20,000 at least to be getting into this project, guys. And VelasPad has actually been trading sideways pretty nicely since the initial TGE, so you can see that it's still there. But as we approach the date of Bitorbit's launch, guys, let me tell you this price point for VelasPad is going to go up. So if you are interested in this project, again, do your own research first before investing any money. But if you are going to invest, make sure you do it not the day before, or stake your tokens not the day before, because this is going to go up as we approach the date for this Bitorbit launch, guys. That's all for this. Let's move on to my next two updates. Okay, guys, and next up, I'm here on the Rogue Shark Coalition's website. This is the premium NFT project that's launching on the Solana blockchain. They will be launching on the 9th of October, guys. If you are interested, I did make a separate video on these specifically. Go and check it out. But essentially, the two updates I wanted to talk about are going to be here in the Discord. Number one, tomorrow on the 6th of October, there is going to be a pre-sale raffle. We'll be hosting 3 fun challenges on this day. Everyone who participates and completes all 3 challenges will be entered into a raffle to win one of only 100 pre-sale spots that are up for grabs. So you have a spot to get in here on the pre-sale and guarantee yourself yourself a shark. Very, very highly recommended. If you just partake, you never know, you might get lucky. The second update, guys, fair launch. There's a fair launch coming up. In my first video, I talked about the price, 5 Sol, which is a bit steep. Guys, they heard the community complain about this and they have made a change. Essentially, it's going to be a fair launch again on the 9th of October at 5 p.m. Eastern Time, but the fair launch is going to be composed of 3 phases. Phase 1, this is the part where you place your bid. Once the time of the phase 1 is up, the median price of all the bids will be chosen. The community essentially decides what the price will be. The price range for the bid is going to be 3 to 4 Sol, and the expected range or the expected time for this duration is going to be 5 minutes. So that means essentially in the first 5 minutes, people are going to be bidding, oh, I think this is worth so much, oh, I think this is worth this much. And if the median is 3.5 Sol at the end of that, then that's how much the mint is going to cost you. So phase 2, if you want to upgrade your bid, meaning if your bid is lower than the fair price, you still have a chance to opt in to win a raffle ticket. For example, the fair price is 3.5 Sol and your bid is below the fair price, let's say at 3.2 Sol. You can opt in by adding the remaining Sol needed to get your ticket, which would be the 0.3 Sol. And then if your bid is higher at the same time that the medium price, the excess Sol that you have will be returned to your wallet. Finally, in phase 3, out of all the tickets, there's only going to be 5,000 at fair launch. These are going to be they're going to be giving you a token, and then you use that token to exchange for the shark mint on their website. That's essentially all I wanted to cover. Guys, go into their Discord, take part in the raffle tomorrow or on Wednesday, the 6th of October, and also make sure that you are familiar with how this mint is going to go down, because they did change it up. That's all I wanted to cover here. Let's hop on to the last one. Okay guys, and for our final update, Metabaes guys, I'm here in Solana Art looking at the floor price. It's now at 3.8 Sol, looking at 30k Sol traded in the last 3 to 4 days, which is pretty good. Guys, you get an airdrop for hodling these. So every Metabase that you have, you get an airdrop, and I did want to update on how exactly that's going to work. And for that, I'm going to look at their Discord here. You're going to just quickly read through these guys. The airdrop for week 1 will consist of a 3D Metabase versus Metabase fight scene. So much like the one you see down below. There will be different rarities based on the background for each fight scene. Example, black, pink, purple, gold, red, orange, green, etc. Having multiple or rarer Metabase does not increase your chance to a rare airdrop. Every holder has the same chance to every Metabase they hold. So having multiple or rarer Metabase does not increase. So it doesn't matter how rare or how many you have, everyone has the same chance. Guys, basically the airdrop will work on a per Metabase basis. 1 Metabase in a wallet equals 1 airdrop. 2 Metabase in a wallet equals 2 airdrops, etc. In order to be eligible for the airdrop, your Metabase must be in the wallet. It cannot be listed on a secondary marketplace like Solana Art, for example. For the snapshot, we will capture exactly how many base each owner has in their wallet at the time of the snapshot, which will determine their airdrop eligibility. This means that if you want to get an airdrop for one of your Metabase, that Metabase must be delisted and sitting in your account. We will reveal more information about which background are rare, common after the airdrop has commenced. The snapshot to see which wallets are holding Metabase and which ones are delisted will be taken sometime between today and Sunday, so we don't know exactly when that's going to happen. Just on the safe side, keep them in your wallet. That's what I'm doing. The time will be random, so the people are incentivized to delist what that they want to be, if they want to be eligible for the snapshot. I'm sorry guys, it's getting late here, but that's all I wanted to touch on, guys. I hope that you like the content, guys. If you like the content, please hit the like, hit the subscribe. I need it for the algorithm. I will see you guys on the next video. Take it easy. I'm out.